Hello. In this tutorial, I would be glad to discuss with you the problems, like not always AI is so good as we expect. And I'll show you a few cases when AI just made a lot of problems, and you'll see some glitches, some typical problems, and information how time to time you can solve it. Time to time not, it's normal, because remember that AI is only a kid and we are trying to discuss difficult topics with this kid. So yeah, the first problem what I can mention you is you will see the difference of the frames. Yeah, like if you'll use this image and this image, compare A to compare B, you will see that no, it's a bad example. Let's select this one. Yeah, this one and this one. You will see the huge jump between ratio. Yeah. And that's quite strange, because when we were connecting our source file with our family file, we selected original ratio, so there should not be this problem, like, yeah, why this final image was changed. So time to time, this option aspect ratio is not working. It's a very strange. I think it's like 5% of my tests were with negative results with this prompt. How to solve it? I simply use this image and I just cut them a little bit to make the same ratio as my source image to solve this issue. Yeah, that was the easiest way I found to solve it. Now you can see that that this image has the same ratio as this image, and this was the problematic image at the center. So I'm simply just adding like extra 10% here. So yeah, it was my solution for that. It was mistake number one for me, most common. The second mistake for me was when I'm connecting the source image and the family image, I'm getting quite funny result. It's about people disproportion. As you see, they're a little bit stretched left to right. I don't know why, but I used the same prompt a few times, and like 20% of prompting time to time gives me negative result when I'm trying to connect source image with the family image. That's quite weird. I'm just making a few tests, few prompts. Sometimes I'm using not NanoBanana Pro, but usual NanoBanana. Sometimes it gives better results, sometimes not. The third problem for me was light. When I'm simply asking AI to add a family and it's automatically negatively relighting my scene. But I prompted already, do not after relight expose color temperature sky geometry, like don't change it, but it's doing this. So time to time it's also, you will see this negative results. Like it's not very often. It's like, I don't know, 5% of your tests, 10% of your tests. You can more strongly add information about this, like negative prompts that you don't want to change exactly, literally nothing. But you will have time to time this problem, so that's okay. That's okay. Please remember that AI is a children, and children are growing. So like in the next few months, you will have less and less problems, because Google and other AI teams are working, so it will be better, faster. The next problem for me was when I was trying to explain AI where I want to put some of the people, it's just leaving me my circles, my red, green, blue circles about the areas where it should be. I was informing AI, don't draw marked area, but it's drawing them. So it's quite strange, but it's doing this. It's very weird, but time to time, NanoBanana Pro, as I mentioned, gives you this negative result. It's also around 10% in my experience. So yeah, but generally it's a good idea just to add information about not drawing those masks. So it will generally help you to resolve this issue. The same is here, like time to time it's leaving me a circle, time to time it's converting me the selected area in some strange options. The same, I was informing AI here that I don't want to, I don't want those masks, but it's doing this. So it was also like quite interesting problem in my opinion. Here you have the same, yeah, the marked area also was drawn the same as I was drawing it in VisMaker. So time to time you'll have those problems, like no worries, as I mentioned, you'll just, in the next iterations, in the new generations of NanoBanana, it will be solved. As you see, it's a quite common problem, and it's an important problem for me, so you have here the same. And here you have a typical AI glitch. So also try to understand and try to fix your check your renders before sending a client, because here you see some phase degradations. Plus this guy is sitting inside of the glass outside of the balcony. I don't know what is this. It's like, it should be a dog, but it's like, you know, something strange, and like it's quite weird. Of course, we can use Magnific and upscale it and it will be fixed. But for example, this glitch that this guy inside of the glass, it's a bad example to send your, you know, client, boss, investor this render. So yeah, this is the most common problem. And I think, yeah, this are the most common problems. Also, last but not least, please remember that when you're changing your interior too many times, you will receive negative results in textures. Yeah, the AI compression is growing. So generally you will see that your render is losing the details. So please make sure that you are using 2K always, or 4K. Like, don't jump between resolutions, because it will kill your render faster. And in the next videos, we'll also discuss how we can work with this and how we can fix that and get less compression results. Generally, the main problem of those glitches on textures, on everything, is that when you're doing something inside AI, when you hit make, you are sending file to the Google AI, for example, to the NanoBanana, you're compressing this file. And in the Google NanoBanana, they're uncompressing it. And each time of compression, it's losing a little bit in the quality. So yeah, it's a small detail, but it's important. So remember not to make too many branches. Like if you'll make 20, 30 branches, you'll completely lose your image. So try to find workflows when you have 3, 4, 5 nodes with the good results. And as I mentioned, in the next tutorials, we'll discuss topic how it can be fixed, how we can prevent that. And this is all for a typical problem when we paste people. Yeah, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.